So it's a good idea at this point to match your audio with your scenes. One of the reasons is because typically an AI creator will determine its screen duration based on estimates of the narration of the words and content on the screen. And so, for example, when you see this scene, the number may change once the audio is uploaded and the AI attempts to match the audio with the overall video. Now, inside of Pictory, the way that you do this is to go to the audio section. You'll then want to go to your upload section. Now, for the sake of this video, we are going to turn off the music. We're going to go to the upload section. What we're then going to do is we're going to upload the audio that we downloaded from 11 Labs. What we now need to do is we need to match that audio with the entire set of scenes. One of the things that you'll notice is that the audio, 2 minutes and 50 seconds, the video duration with the scenes are 4 minutes and 6 seconds. That means then that the AI needs to match the timing of the scenes with the audio. So what we're going to do here is we're going to click apply, and this is where we're going to let the AI do its work. This is going to be the same process in any video creator. Once you match the audio with what the AI has already put together, the AI must do another matching process. We're now going to click apply. We're going to apply this audio to the entire video. And so in Pictory, this process is called auto syncing. It may be called a different process in your video-based creator. What you'll see now is that the preview shows us that the entire video is now 2 minutes and 50 seconds, which is the length of the actual audio. So that means then that what the AI has done is it has condensed the total time of the video clips to match the audio, and so that the text will appear in the scene while the audio of that text is actually playing. So what we need to do now is we need to watch the preview so that we can determine if the process happened in the way that we need it to happen.
Creating faceless videos is a great way to share your knowledge and generate income, especially if you're camera shy or prefer to stay behind the scenes. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create high-quality faceless videos and sell them as information products. Choosing your niche. The first step is to choose your niche. Think about what you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Popular niches include technology tutorials, cooking demos, money advice, and fitness routines. Pick a niche that has a high demand for information products, ensuring that your content will attract an audience. Script writing tips. A well-written script is the backbone of any successful video. Start by outlining your main points to create a clear and simple structure. Keep your language easy to understand. Make sure to include a strong hook at the beginning to grab your audience's attention. A good script helps maintain a smooth flow and ensures you cover all essential information. Recording techniques. When it comes to recording, you have several options. Screen recording software is perfect for showing processes on your computer. Pair this with a high-quality microphone to ensure clear audio. Remember, good audio is just as important as good visuals. If your video requires voiceover, practice speaking clearly and at a steady pace. Editing and production tips. Editing is where your video truly comes together. Use editing software to cut out any mistakes and enhance your video with transitions, text overlays, and graphics. This not only makes your video more engaging, but also gives it a professional touch. Tools like basic video editors can be very effective. Platforms for selling your videos. Once your video is ready, it's time to sell it. There are several platforms where you can host and sell your videos, such as online course websites and digital marketplaces. Each platform has its own features and fee structures, so choose the one that best fits your needs. Make sure to research each platform to understand their audience and pricing models. Conclusion. Creating faceless videos is a fantastic way to share your knowledge and create a stream of income. Start by choosing your niche, writing a strong script, recording high-quality audio, and editing your video to perfection. Then, choose a platform to sell your product. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and visit our website for additional resources.
So you can now see the entire matching process. And what you'll see now is that the entire video duration has now changed to 2 minutes and 50 seconds. So that now means that some of the scenes are now going to be timed differently. And now in those places where we want to change the duration, we now know how long the scene needs to be in order to make the change. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.